Hey guys, sorry for the technical difficulties. Never mind, the viewers won't understand. Anyways, hey guys, this is a Chinese food mukbang. Mom is eating some fried duck and some rice.
Yeah, boy.
What are you eat? What are you?
The sauce.
I thought it was the. Where's the soup?
This tree is the soup.
And this one is the sauce. They have the same packaging.
Yeah. So you want to try something?
No.
From the
I just want to record.
You can try to.
No. It's fine.
Taste.
No. Nine, mommy. Okay, look at this crispiness.
Really good.
Yes. Now mommy's eating that crispiness.
Next time you can try to eat this. It's really good.
I don't want it. Thank you very much. Oh, this is so bright. Oh, it's so dark. It's so light. Yeah. Yes, the lightness is coming through. Everything. Oh, yeah. Whoa. You got this rice here. Everything around it is pretty much very good. Oh, look at that. Got some rice here, another rice. You know that stuff. This is so beautiful. This is very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna do something with my fingers. Hold on. Huh. Hey. Hop. Here. Hey guys, this is not a Marvel Legends, but a DC superhero, and it's Robin.